Flame detection system using ESP8266 NodeMCU and KY-026 sensor. The main objective of this tutorial is to develop a flame detection system capable of identifying the presence of a flame or intense heat source using the KY-026 flame sensor, while employing the ESP8266 microcontroller for data processing and control. When a heat source approaches the KY-026 flame sensor, the LED and buzzer are activated and the LCD screen displays fire detection. Assembly and connection of the components of the flame detection system. The ESP8266 is the main microcontroller that reads data from the KY-026 sensor, processes it, and controls the output devices, LED, buzzer, and LCD. The I2C LCD display is a character LCD module that can display text, symbols, and messages. Connect the GND pin of the display to the GND pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the VCC pin of the display to the VIN pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the SCL pin of the display to the D1, GPIO5 pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the SDA pin of the display to the D2, GPIO4 pin of the ESP8266 board. The KY-026 flame sensor detects infrared radiation emitted by flames. Connect the VCC plus pin of the flame sensor to 3V pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the GND pin of the flame sensor to the GND pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect DO pin of the flame sensor to A0 pin of the ESP8266 board. Use a second breadboard to extend the ESP8266 GND pin. Wire the ESP8266's GND pin to the breadboard's common ground rail. Insert the LED into the breadboard, ensuring its cathode, short leg, is linked to the ESP8266 GND pin. Connect the positive terminal, anode, of the LED to the D0, GPIO16, pin of ESP8266. Insert the buzzer into the breadboard, ensuring its negative terminal is connected to the ESP8266's GND pin. Connect the positive terminal of buzzer to D3, GPIO0, pin of ESP8266 board. Here's a MicroPython program of the flame detection system using ESP8266 board. You can learn more about robotics on my website, robotique.site.